Hi there, I'm Sergey. In this video, I'll share with you 5 elements of why Workshop Butler is a perfect solution for any training business which licenses facilitators to run workshops and collects royalty fees from them. The first element is delegation. You delegate workshop management to your trainers. When a trainer adds a workshop, it appears immediately on your brand website or disappears if the trainer cancels it. The same is true for their profiles. Trainers have a full control of their profiles and you literally waste no time on updating them. The second element is automation. Workshop Butler automates various workflows, for example, a license renewal process. With a growing number of trainers, you become lost tracking their licenses. This leads to a loss of time and money. Our solution prevents this from happening by nurturing trainers to renew in advance and avoiding the ones who decided to cancel. The third element is simplicity. For example, Workshop Butler calculates royalty fees for each workshop, no matter how complex your pricing model is, and informs you what invoices to send and to whom. You can be sure that every euro is collected. The fourth element is trust. Our solution is battle tested, serving well-known training brands for many years in a row. We care about your privacy, the privacy of your students and trainers, and we keep their data safe. And the fifth element, of course, it's love. We love our clients and they love us back. Our support is continuously rated as incredible and outstanding. We listen to your feedback, and every day more and more people become happy at work thanks to the workshops we help to deliver. So schedule your demo today and free your business from routine in less than a month. I think it's there.